Ethical rules for the computer users. Some of the rules that the individuals should follow while using a computer are listed here. Do not use computers to harm other users. Do not use computers to steal others' information. Do not access files without the permission of the owner. Do not copy copyrighted software without the author's permission. Always respect copyright laws and policies. Respect the privacy of others just as you expect the same from others. Do not use others' computer resources without their permission. Use internet ethically. Complain about illegal communication and activities, if found, to internet service providers and local law enforcement authorities. Users are responsible for safeguarding their user ID and passwords. Users should not intentionally use the computers to retrieve or modify the information of others, which may include password information, files, etc. Unethical practices prevalent in the society. Digital plagiarism. Plagiarism is one of the major forms of academic dishonesty which has always existed in education, including higher education. The use of computers and internet added to the means that students have at their disposal to commit plagiarism. However, they make it much easier to do and much harder to detect. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using electronic technology. Electronic technology includes devices and equipment such as cell phones, computers, and tablets, as well as communication tools, including social media sites, text messages, chat, and websites. Hacking. Hacking is unauthorized intrusion into a computer or a network. The person engaged in hacking activities is generally referred to as a hacker. This hacker may alter system or security features to accomplish a goal that differs from the original purpose. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is identifying weakness in computer systems and/or computer networks and coming with countermeasures that protect the weaknesses. Ethical hackers must abide by these rules. Get written permission from the owner of the computer system and/or computer network before hacking. Protect the privacy of the organization being hacked. Transparently report all the identified weaknesses in the computer system to the organization. Inform hardware and software vendors of the identified weaknesses. Phishing. Phishing email will typically direct the user to visit a website where they are asked to update personal information such as a password, credit card, social security, or bank account numbers that the legitimate organization already has. The website, however, is bogus and will capture and steal any information the user enters on the page. Spamming. Spam is considered to be electronic junk mail or junk newsgroup postings. Some people define spam even more generally as any unsolicited email. However, if a long-lost brother finds your email address and sends you a message, this could hardly be called spam, even though it is unsolicited. Computer privacy. Internet privacy is the privacy and security level of personal data published via the Internet. It is a broad term that refers to a variety of factors, techniques, and technologies used to protect sensitive and private data, communications, and preferences. Right to privacy. The law of privacy is recognition of the individual's right to be let alone and to have his personal space inviolate. The need for privacy and its recognition as a right is a modern phenomenon. It is the product of an increasingly individualistic society in which the focus has shifted from society to the individual. Internet privacy and anonymity are paramount to users, especially as e-commerce continues to gain traction. Privacy violations and threat risks are standard considerations for any website under development.